फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, फिटफाट होंगे। आज जिस टॉपिक के ऊपर हम बात करेंगे वो है जी हाउ टू क्रिएट की स्टोर फाइल इन रिएक्ट नेटिव। तो गाइस ये रहा हमारा गूगल, यहाँ पे जाके हम सर्च कर लेते हैं हाउ टू क्रिएट। तो गाइस ये हमने सर्च कर लिया। यहाँ पे सर्च करने के बाद कुछ इस तरह का सरफेस आता है हमारे पास। परचेजिंग टू गूगल प्ले स्टोर, मेकिंग अ साइन APK फॉर योर रिएक्ट नेटिव एप्लीकेशन, how to generate a React Native release build APK for Android, generating signed APK React Native, how can I generate an APK that can run without server with React Native। तो गाइज इस तरह के बहुत से प्लेटफॉर्म आपके पास आते हैं जहाँ से हम सीख सकते हैं कि हमने की स्टोर फाइल को रिएक्ट नेटिव में किस तरह क्रिएट करना है। जनरेटिंग साइन APK रिएक्ट नेटिव, हम इसे ओपन कर लेते हैं गाइस। यहाँ पे हम देख लेते हैं कि हमने किस तरह क्रिएट करना है ये। तो कुछ सेकंड ले लिया है ओपन होने के लिए, तो हम कुछ वेट कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे कुछ ही सेकंड। तो ये ओपन होगी गाइस। जनरेटिंग साइन APK एंड्रॉइड रिक्वायर्स दैट ऑल एप्स बी digitally signed with a certificate before they can be installed. So to distribute your Android application via Google Play Store, you will need to generate a sign release APK. The signing your application page on the Android developers documentation describes the topic in detail. This guide covers the process in brief as well as lists the steps required to packaging the JavaScript bundle, creating a signing key. You can generate a private signing key using on Windows must be run from this command promotes you from password from the Keystore and key, and to provide the distinguished name fields for your key. It then generates the Keystore as a file called myReleaseKeystore. The Keystore contains a single key valid for 10,000 days. The alias is name that you will use later when signing your app. So remember to take note of the alias. Note, remember to keep your Keystore file private and never commit it to version control. Setting up create variables. Place the Keystore file under the Android/app directory in your project folder. Edit the file gradle/gradle.properties or Android/gradle.properties and add the following. Replace with the correct Keystore password, alias and key password. There are going to be global Gradle variables which we can use in our Gradle configuration to sign our app. Once you publish the app on the Play Store, you will need to republish your app under a different package name, losing all downloads and ratings. If you want to change the signing key at the point, so back up your key store and don't forget to the password. Note about the security. If you are not keen on storing your password in plain text and you are running OS X, you can also store your credentials in keychain access app. Then you can skip the two last rows in adding signing config to your app's Gradle config. Edit the file and write/app/build.gradle in your project folder and add the signing config. Generating the release APK. Simply run the following in a terminal. Gradle's assemble release will bundle all the JavaScript needed to run your app into the APK. If you need to change the way the JavaScript bundle and or drawable resources are bundled, for example, if you change the default file, folder names or the generated structure of the project, have a look at android/app/build.gradle to see how you can update it to reflect these changes. The generated APK can be found under android/app/build/output/apk app release.apk and is easy to be distributed. Testing the release build of your app before uploading the release build the Play Store. Make sure you test thoroughly. First uninstall any previous version of the app you already have installed. तो गाइस ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो, मिलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।